Okay, let's look next at locating fractions and decimals on a number line. So plotting integers such as -3 and +5 are the easiest, since number lines are typically drawn with integers. Negative numbers are to the left of 0 and get increasingly large to the left. Positive numbers are to the right of 0 and get increasingly large to the right. So, because we usually plot a number line with positive and negative integers, then if we have to plot -3, we can just go to the left until we get to -3 and plot our point there. And when we need +5, we can just go up to +5 and plot our point there. What do you do when you've got a fraction or a decimal? This can take a little more attention to detail. So let's look at fractions. So with fractions, it's important to always convert improper fractions, where the numerator is greater than the denominator, into mixed fractions or mixed numbers. Then subdivide the space between integers into a number of pieces equal to the value in the denominator. Subdivide the space between the integers into a number of pieces equal to the value in the denominator. So for example, if we wanted to plot the point 4.5, we want to divide the space between 4 and 5 into two pieces, the value of the denominator. So when we go over here to look, in order to plot 4.5, we're going to go to 4, we're going to go to 5, and then we're going to put a mark between 4 and 5 that divides the space between 4 and 5 into two pieces, two equal-sized pieces. And that point will be 4.5. So then we'll plot a point right there. With decimals, so because decimal places differ by factors of 10, typically one will subdivide the space between integers into 10 even pieces, and then plot 4.5 as 4.5. So you can see on this number line, I'm only showing the values, the decimal values between 4 on the left and +5 on the right, just to show that because we're doing 4.0, we're accurate to a tenth. So we've got 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, and then 5. So each of these is equally spaced with a distance of 0.1 between each one. And to plot 4.5 or 4.5, we know exactly where that point should be. So try this think, pair, share activity and use the idea that I shared up here about dividing this space between integers to help you with this one. Give that a try.